Professor, you was always a good chiseler.
Get out of here!
Professor, Felix is being interviewed.
By the police, I hope.
Nah, he's telling a commentator about Boyd's.
He always was for the birds.
And so, as you can see, I've gathered exotic birds from all over the world.
Well, Felix, I'd like to see some of your special breeds.
Okay, a hi-fi pelican with his favorite record.
Felix the cat, the wonderful, wonderful cat.
Very funny, Felix.
Now here is one of my favorites. Hetty Easter from the Easter Islands. Okay, Hetty. Hetty's Easter egg.
That I like.
Very clever. Have you got something special?
Yes, I have. A jewel bird. Here is a picture of it. Every day it flies out into the dense jungles, finds old palaces and their treasure rooms. It feeds on gems. It's there now.
Gems!
Will I see it?
Here it comes. It always lays 2 eggs.
A day?
More. It makes many trips. 2. A bird in one, gems in the other. This one has the gems. I hope.
I must have that bird. I must. Come, Rock, to the costume room.
What'll I do when we get to Felix's, Professor?
Act like a mother bird, and I'm your baby. Run, run!
Oh, go over by the fire and warm yourself.
This is getting unbearable.
Whew, I'm getting warm. Yow!
Yow!
The professor and rock bottom. You crooks, get out of here.
Don't open till Christmas.
Don't open till Christmas.
Felix, you're in there because you interfered in our plans.
You're right. You're going to take away my bird experiment laboratory. Let me out of here.
Felix, all I'm taking from you is the jewel bird that lays gem-loaded eggs.
It's not here. It's out in the jungle.
Get rid of him, Rock. We've things to do.
On your way. Who'd want them queer Boyds?
This is the one I want. The jewel bird. It finds treasure rooms in old palaces and feeds on gems.
What's that? Who's there? My red-headed woodpecker.
Why doesn't the jewel bird return?
Keep it up.
Ah, here it comes. Now it's laying 2 eggs. But it's not going to get out on another trip. Not yet. Ready, Rock? Hold it, Rock. Good. 2 eggs. We'll try this one. Marvelous. Marvelous! But this way is too slow. There is a faster way. Bring the bird, Rock, and we'll get all the gems.
Now to catch those crooks. We're catching up, Pelly.
The jewel bird has landed.
Wow, look at them gems. Help! Help!
Quicksand! Quicksand!
Help! 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 Quicksand!
Help! Help!
I'll save you.
It's broken.
Nope. It's my supersonic eagle whistle. And look!
Oh no, no!
Take them to the sheriff. Well, business is picking up.
Well, General Clang, are we ready to invade the Earth?
Yes, Master Cylinder. Except for one thing.
What is it?
We need more powerful rocket fuel.
Our rockets can only fly halfway to Earth.
There's only one person who can invent a super rocket fuel.
Who, Master?
An Earthman called Poindexter.
Poindexter?
Yes. Turn on the Earth Searcher, General. Good. Now get closer. Let's go inside.
That's a swell flying saucer you have there, Poindexter.
Thanks, Mr. Felix.
Did you ever invent that new rocket fuel?
Yes, Mr. Felix. And I've got the formula right in my head.
Did you hear that, General?
Yes.
I got an idea.
What's that?
The Interplanetary communicator.
Help! I'm a prisoner on the planet Mars. Help! Help!
It's a lady in distress, Mr. Felix. We must go to her assistance. I see Mars, Mr. Felix. Look, all those rockets.
It's a trap. Turn back.
Too late. We're caught.
Uh-oh, the master cylinder.
What can I do for you, Mr. Cylinder?
You have a formula for a super rocket fuel. Start making it.
And if I refuse?
In that case, General Clang will persuade you.
Oh, dear.
Do as he says, Poinsy. This guy is poison.
And as Felix. You will be court-martialed. Lock him up, General.
Okay, Earthman. Any last words?
Yes. Why all the rocket ships?
Rockets for invasion. We take over Earth.
The Earth? When?
Soon as Poindexter make no rocket fuel. Ours only good halfway.
So, that's why they wanted Poindexter. General, what are you going to be when you get to Earth?
Be president, of course.
What country?
All countries.
Then you'll have to learn the maypole dance.
Maypole dance.
A dance all presidents must do when they take office.
Show me.
Okay, turn me loose. Now get up on your toes.
Like this?
That's it. Now give me your, hand. Now another hand.
I wonder how Poindexter is coming along with the super rocket fuel. I'll give him a ring.
Yes, Mr. Cylinder. Just one more ingredient, and we're off with a bang.
How much longer this maypole dance?
Just one more step, General. So long, Mr. President.
Come back, Earthman, and tie me.
Poindexter!
Quick, to the flying saucer.
Come back here, or I'll... Huh? Rocket control. I'll get them.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We sure gave those guys the slip.
But I have a feeling we're being followed.
Yipes! The rockets!
Don't despair, Mr. Felix. Take another look.
The rockets are falling back on Mars!
Their old rocket fuel wasn't much good.
There'll be a hot time on old Mars tonight. To find the Inca treasure mine, say the magic words Mungo Jingo to the golden bug, and he will point the way. Okay, Goldie. Mungo Jingo.
Hurry, Rock.
Now which way to the treasure?
Boss, look. The golden bug.
What? Up the mountain? Hey! Hey, stop! Help! Stop!
Beautiful. Come, Rock. What's holding us up?
Boyd's in my way.
Get rid of it.
Sorry, Boyd,
but you'd better learn how to fly quickly.
Hey, what's that?
Where now, Bug? Mungo Jingo.
Down? That bug's crazy.
There they are, right below. Thanks for the lift.
This is all ice.
I've come for my golden bug.
Oh, no, no!
Felix, the ice ledge is breaking behind you. Look.
Wow!
This glacier is running wild.
End of the line.
Rock, we're on ice.
You're right, Professor. We're in the cooler.
Baldy Heads Incorporated. At last, we are going to have hair on our heads. I bought this from an explorer who grew his own hair. And here is proof. Before and after. In the heart of the dangerous jungle grows the hairy berry bush. Eat these berries and you'll grow curls. Only one person can bring that bush back, and that is Fearless Felix.
Gentlemen, you'll get your hair.
Hey, Professor. Felix has got his picture in the paper.
For something fatal, I hope.
Nah, he's gonna get $50,000.
For what?
Felix goes to jungles. Bald Heads Incorporated to pay him $50,000 to bring back special berry bush.
What? For berries?
Yeah, these berries will absolutely grow hair.
Grow hair? Grow hair? Wonderful!
Yeah, look here. He is being given the secret map.
We must get that map and find the berry bush. Don't move. Here he comes. Quick, Rock. Don't let him out of sight.
I wonder what that was. Here, I turn right.
This is traveling in style, huh, boss?
Yes, Rock. This way, we'll head Felix off. Tunnel ahead, Rock. Stop rocking the alligator, or we'll spill.
Whoa, whoa, hold it there, alligator. Hold it. That's the last time I ever trust a gator.
Let's land at the rubber grove ahead, Rock.
Now, through the rubber forest.
So this is where Felix will pass.
Right. Now chop a slice out of a rubber tree and catch the rubber sap. Quick, Here he comes.
Hey! Rubber sack! I'm stuck!
Felix, are you too stuck up to speak to old friends?
Oh! Why am I trapped in this rubber sack?
To get this secret map to the special berry bush.
What do you know about it?
Those berries will grow hair.
Coily hair.
How did you hear about it?
It tells in this clipping, chump.
So what? Baldheads Incorporated hired me to find the bush.
We're taking over. Come, Rock.
Stick around, pal. Ho, 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 ho.
I'm getting loose now. Rubber sack. On both sides. And stiff.
We'll take a shortcut through the swamp.
What's this?
Yow! Hippopotamus!
Please, Professor, no more shortcuts.
Right, Rock.
This rubber sure can stretch. Now to get the crooks. Drop that map.
Felix!
Run!
Bombs away!
Rock, he's got the map. Don't let him get away.
Now, that hair-growing berry bush should be around here someplace. Ah, there it is. Hairy berry bush. Only one in existence. Hands off. Now to find a shovel and dig it up.
I don't see him around.
We've lost him.
Professor, the bush.
This is it. You hair growers, you'll make me millions.
But I'm hungry.
Find some wild fruit or something.
Hey, berries, Professor. Have some. Boy, they were good.
Delicious.
I feel funny.
You look funny.
Look at yourself.
Am I as funny as you?
Worse.
You need a dog license.
You're a weeping willow. Well, what'll we do?
Find a barber in a hurry.
Me too.